Here's where you can go to find all duplicate files on your Samsung Galaxy A54 smartphone. So basically what this does is it allows you to see any sort of file that you have an exact copy of it, which might be taking up space on your Samsung phone. So for example, if you have two of that same image and you want to remove that extra one here and you don't have time to go through sorting it, there's a way where you can check it out and see all the duplicate ones. All right, so let's get started. And basically to get there, you'll want to go into the file manager option. So look for this icon here, the my files. Okay, so it's also known as file manager, my bad, but my files, you're looking for that. And when you're here, you're going to go down until you see analyze storage. From the analyze storage section here, you get an overview of everything, but you want to keep going down until you see duplicate files. When you tap here, it's going to give you an overview of every file you have on your device, whether it's an image, a document, a song, a video, and its copy form here. Okay, and if you pay close attention, there is two of it, and they will sometimes tell you, well, they will tell you if it's saved in another part of your device. So for example, if you have it saved on an SD card or in another album, it's going to tell you exactly where it's saved. Because my thing is kind of zoomed in right now, you can't see all the details, but usually after the slash, it will tell you where everything is and the separated ones. So you can choose the one you don't want by selecting this here and then deleting that extra one. Okay, it'll go to the trash and you have to go to the trash and completely remove it. Now, of course, once you delete it, once you remove it, that is irreversible, just so you know. All right, and that's that. Like, sub. Thanks for watching.